You can see the API limit has been hit with Hermes. I'm just going to switch the model. Trad says Hermes so complex. It's simple for day-to-day stuff. It's pretty easy to learn, but the way that you want to look at it is like we're doing something like computer use, right? Which is a bit more complicated. It's a brand new feature. It's obviously difficult for people to get their heads around at first. So it's just using Hermes day-to-day is super chill. But then if you want to set up something like computer use, obviously it requires a bit more technical expertise, right? It's not something we're all going to get right first time around, and that's okay. That's part of the process, right? So I'm going to say, open up Hermes in terminal using computer use and say hello. Jonah says, thanks for what you do. Maybe one of these days, an interview with a user might be a good idea. Yeah, happy to do that at some point. We actually do a lot of coaching sessions inside the AI Profit Boardroom, so you can see what people are using it for and how it works and that sort of thing. So you can see it's now using a computer use. I've switched over to Kimi K2.6 because it seemed to use a lot of tokens on Codex, right? Codex actually ran out of usage. So that's something to be aware of as well. It seems to use a lot of usage. So it's now navigating, as you can see, it's clicking the mouse and it's navigating over to terminal, which you can see here. So the cursor is moving over. It's clicked in there. So you can see this is Hermes Agent using the computer. It does say, if you look at the token efficiency guidelines inside Hermes, it says the screenshots do use a lot of tokens. Now there's some layers of optimization, as you can see right here, but I think that's one of the problems that we found.